Now, as you can see, there are multiple dimensions and multiple sizes of ads you can create. Number one, banner ads, half page ads, inclined rectangle, large leaderboards, large rectangles, skyscrapers, and wide skyscrapers, square, and a lot of stuff, right? So in this tutorial, let's go with banner ads, okay? And first of all is integrate your logo automatically. Just click on it and a pop-up will appear, so you can select your logo from your computer, or if not, just click on skip and proceed to edit it, right? Once you click on that, okay, now either you can build from scratch or you can select one of the templates from the large template gallery, right? So in this case, let's just quickly select this one as an example. So this is a template, all right? Now let's just show let's just play this ad once, right? So if you see, this is how the ad looks like, right? So now we'll not change the logo, we'll change the company name. Let's keep this as ABC Salon, and let's enter the headline here, okay? You can just write like something like haircut at 50% off, right? Then you can write like limited time, something like this, and just reduce the font size a bit, and this looks perfectly nice. And just let's change the style, that's the text font, and let's make it bold. Perfect, this looks really good. Now instead of register now, we can be like call us today, right? And instead of this yoga class, we can write near XYZ street, and can keep this here. Alright, let's reduce the font size a bit. We'll get this here, we'll get this image a bit up, and we'll get this here. You get rid of this yoga image, and now what we can do is add a phone number here. So we'll add a body text here, and we'll add a new column, call us here, saying it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is just for an example purpose. Just increase the size a bit, or like this is okay. Let's bold this a bit and change the text style, and let's keep bold, not italic, and increase the size a bit. Alright, and we don't need to change the language. We'll go through the animations in the later part of this video, right? Now this looks really good and neat. Okay, now you can insert any images or objects like PNGs and vectors here, or just like let's insert a quick image, right? I search for haircut, let's search it again. Okay, now let's quickly select an image. Let's choose this image, okay? Let's reduce the size of this image, and what it'll do is just click on remove the background. Okay, let's give it a second. Boom, the background of this image is now removed. Now we'll get this call us here down, we'll get this a bit up. We shall set some animations. Now let's choose this, and let's see, animation starts after and animation duration, right? Now let's quickly play this animation once. Okay, this is still, right? So what we can do is we can just make it like we can do bottom to top animation. Animation starts in 0.3 seconds, and animation duration shall be 0.5 seconds. Now watch this. Let me play this animation now. Boom, this looks really neat, right? And let's reduce the animation timing for this one. Let's do it like 0.6, and this shall be 0.2, and this shall be 0.6 again, this shall be 0.6 again. Now let's play this once. This looks neat, isn't it? Okay, let's do something else. We'll put this as 0.7 and put this as 0.8. So this comes first, this comes the second, and this comes the third. Does that make sense? put this as 0.6, and now let's play this again. Wow, this looks really neat. Now for this one it looks good, and let's not change that, and this all looks perfect. Okay, let's reduce like the timing for this a bit. Let's put like 0.7 here, and 0.5 shall be good. This one shall be 0.8, and this thing can be 0.4. Let's play this now. Now let's just hit on download. Just give it a few seconds. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.